The system start on the landing page where you see the main title along with the two cards information related about hate speech and artificial intelligence. To begin with, you need to click the login button located at the upper right corner. Once the login page appear, you need to enter username and the password to securely access the system. Press the login button. Then you will taken to the dashboard. Here you can view the key data such as users group and hate detection lists. At the upper center, you will see the hate detector button. When you click this, you will directly to the page of hate detector where you can upload CSV file. You can use drag and drop or click to browse. We will click to browse, then browse the data. We'll use this test CSV file which contain text and uh, for testing we will click open. Then the button of detect hate speech will enable. Then we need to click this button to analyze the content. You will see the button will proceed to processing and we cannot click it, and the message also saying running speech detection, please wait. And we can see it is done. Process 12 rows. And at the bottom, we can see the total rows, which is 12. And it found 3 hate speech and 9 non-hate speech. Almost 25% overall. Then in the bottom, we can see the table included the text and the label with confidence. And we can filter it using clicking the button hate only, and you will see the 3 hate uh, content only. And if we want only to see the shape, it will filter also the table. And if we want also to all, it will show all the text content. And there's a download CSV button if you want a copy of the table. As we can press this, it will download the hate speech result CSV file. This is it. And to exit, you need to click also logout. Or if you want to analyze another CSV, just click to browse or drag a CSV file, then uh, follow the same procedure. We will click logout so we can exit in the system. And as we log out, we will redirected ulit again in the landing page, which we can see the PUP hate speech detection. This is it. Thank you for listening. God bless.